channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Nicole. Welcome. I hope you stick around and enjoy some more of my videos. So today's video is a grocery haul, as you can see in the back there. We went to Makro today. We only went to Makro because we didn't have a lot of time to go to different places. All of the stuff that we got rang up to 4,400 bucks. So that was the total for everything that we got. We just got everything that we needed, everything that we were running low on, so we did go under our cap, but that's totally fine. So yeah, if you want to see this grocery haul, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start here. We got 2 boxes of these 5-liter bottles of water. There's 4 in each box, and that was on promotion for $140. And then this side we have 2 of these washing machine powders. Those are on promotion as well. We have 2 packets of the 18 tissue rolls, also on promotion. And then starting with the food, in the front show we have some Melrose wedges. My mom really likes this. It says cool limited edition design inside. Sounds fun. And then we got some smoked Viennas from Simply Chicken. These are the ones that we like. We got 2 blocks of cheese, a Gouda and a cheddar. And then butter and margarine, both of these were on promotion. So we got 2 Moy River salted butter. And then we got 2 baking margarine blocks. Up here we have a 30 tray of jumbo eggs. And then we got 2 of these boxes of frozen chicken thighs from Makro. These are on promotion. I think it was 2 for $3 something. So we got 2 of those. These are 5 kg boxes. And then back in the front here we have some cling wrap, some curry leaves over here. And then we saw these chewy candies from Chappies. Now I only know Chappies to make bubblegum, but it looks like they're branching out. So these are tropical orange. And they had a red packet as well, but my mom took these. I feel like this color scheme matches the bubblegum, so I think she thinks it was bubblegum, but she'll figure it out. We got these Secrets of the Valley series juice boxes, a little thing of Coke, 500 grams of garlic. We go through garlic, like if we buy it at the beginning of the month, it should last us through the whole month, so that should be enough. For the spices here, we have some ground cumin, some ginger, coriander, garlic flakes, and then we have this box of medium curry powder by Raja. Over here we have some plain feta cheese. My mom usually likes the herb one, but they didn't have any in stock. And then back here we have 2 of these Flora butter spreads. Over here we have 2 of these cans of chakalaka with sweet corn. These are really nice. We really like those. We have a Basil extra virgin olive oil over here. That's super heavy. And then Meadowland changed the packaging of their cream. If you've watched any of my other grocery hauls, you'll know it doesn't look like this, but this is a cute color. I like this. This is the classic cream. It says for cooking, pouring, and whipping, and is blended with vegetable oil and buttercream. So we got 2 of those. It was on promotion. And then we got these Louisa chopped tomatoes, 2 of those, because we still have some tomato paste from last month. And then back in the front here we have chicken noodle soup, quite a few of them. Another chicken noodle, and another one. So 4 chicken noodles and 2 cream of mushrooms. And then back here we have this box. Well, it's not really a box, it's like wrapped matchboxes. There's 10 boxes in here, and I think it was like 7 rand. So we got that. We got a container of Aromat over here, and then back here we have my mom's no lack lactose-free milk. That's the milk that she uses. And then we have some mango acha here. This is a hot one. We have some barbecue spice and some steak and chops. Over here we have a 3 kg packet of chopped butternut. And then in the front here we have some rainbow peppers, red, green, and yellow. And then we have this big tray of beef. So when we cook this beef, we divide it in half. There is 4 people in the house throughout the week. How do I say this? There's 4 people in the house on a regular basis, so we divide this and it's more than enough for us. So we have this twice. This was 270 rand and 20 cents, and this is fresh beef poikis. And then over here we have 2 containers of this Colgate gel toothpaste. Back there we have some cake flour because we ran out. I was baking quite a bit last month. Over here we have some bananas. We have some maxi pads by Kotex. In the front here we have these spicy wedges. We have 3 packets of those because it was on promotion. 3 for I think 100 or something. We have some country mixed vegetables. These are frozen vegetables. And then over here we have super maize meal. And then back here we have these pocket tissue packets. This is a packet of 10, and so we got 3 of them. I'm not quite sure how much the packs were. And then back there, let me grab one. We have these Always Protect Panty Liners. These are our favorite. Over here we have 2 boxes of tissues, 1 facial tissue from Makro, and then the Twin Savers tissue box down there. And then we have these butcher bags, these large ones. These are the ones we normally have on hand all the time. We have some full cream, 2 packets of garbage bags, and then we got these Harpic toilet blocks. That's what it says there. We got 2 of those. This is the Tropical Blossom one. They also have a lavender one. I'm pretty sure they also have a pine one, but don't quote me on that. And then we got 5 of these, what are they? Whoa, that's heavy. Okay. Then we got 5 of these Sunlight Dishwashing Liquids. This was on promotion, 5 for 100. We got 4 Domestos Thick Bleach bottles. These were 4 for 100. So we got some Glade air fresheners. This one smells really nice. And then we got the usual one that we always get, which is Blooming Peony and Cherry. Back here we got 2 bottles of Handy Andy. And then over here we have 10 different bars of soap. Well, they're not all different, but we have 10 bars of soap here. So we have this one with raspberry extract. We have this one with papaya extract. And then we have this one with grapeseed oil. So those are the 3 variations that we have, and we have 10 of them. We have 3 of these Dove roll-ons. This is the one we prefer. This, you know, it's good for us. It smells really nice. We have some Doom insect repellent over here. Some Mr. Min multi-surface cleaner, shiner, and protector all in one. And this is the potpourri scented one. We have, how many of these? 2, 4, 6. We have 6 Baby Soft concentrates, 3 baby ones, 1 fresh, and 2 of these aromatherapy ones, the indulgence. And then lastly, we got these extra absorbent paper towel rolls. And yeah, this is everything that we got. It doesn't look like a lot. It's not a lot. We just got what we needed, and so we didn't get too many things. But yeah, this is everything that we got. And that is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Check me out on my Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.